everybody! Let's get this party started! Here we go! Now let's play! Rock and roll! It's time to play Flip Out Frenzy! Where this crazy quartet will stake out clams by winning minigames! You know what to say, Baby Jayu?
Okay, before I run into you Rainbow Pie, let's take a quick look at those rules.
Yes, before we find out to take over the pole whip high, let's take a quick look at those rules. Hey everybody, all you girls, read it with me. Alright, to win Flip Out Frenzy, you must own most of the tiles by the game's end. That means to say that at the end of the game, you need to collect the most number of tiles.
Each time you win a minigame, you'll pick a tile.
So whenever you win any minigame, the tile will be yours. You choose an area where the tile will be depicted. It and tiles in all four directions will flip to show your mark. That's right, that's the chain reaction. Whenever you select a tile, the tiles that are adjacent to the tile you choose will splatter until the end. Moreover, the final plot twist is, say it with me, people. There's a late game shake-up too. That's right, everybody. Now let's start. Here we go. Blah, blah, blah. So many rules, so little time. You got it. So now let's get going.
Wait. Got it. Flip. Reflip. Reflip. Turn.
Well done, Hat. Now that cleared up. So now let's play Flip Out Frenzy. And just look at our competitors out there. Pumped, prompt, and ready to go. So what's our first minigame? Spin the wheel!
Yay, spin the wheel. What's the game we're gonna play?
Oh, that's so easy. At the Chomp Wash. So boring, but much too exciting for that Boom Boom Marcos. I just want to support him, that's all. Let's go. Let's go. All cleaned up. That's right, everybody. At least I won the minigame. Now what do we do? And our winner is...
Yay! We won!
Flip your tiles, Raffy. Pick your starting point and take over territory.
Oh, I forgot. No Flippy Skippy. Not those dark spots, but only open tiles.
Only. Don't worry, Baby Jayu. I know exactly what to do. Ta-da! Now let's move on to the next minigame.
Spin the wheel.
Come on, just give me an easy one. Oh, I hate this, but I like it anyway. Now let's go. Ready, Adam? Sayang! Pero okay lang yan. Dahil po, ang panalo ay sina... Ako! Yay! That's how I like everybody. And our winner is Rafi! Lift your towels, Rafi. Pick your starting point and take over territory.
Don't forget, you can't choose the tiles that have already been flipped.
That's right, and I'll choose this one. Take it away. Whee! Now let's move on to the next minigame. You know what to say, baby Jewel. Never mind. We're gonna play this game and get on air. Here we go. Tayo na, mga boys kayo, lahat kayo mahulog. Ano ba kayo mga girls? Mag-survive ba kayo? Mga kako kayo? Watch out, girls. Here we come. Uy, gago, ano yan? Uy, gago, ano yan? Uy, Zeb, musta na? Uy, gago, sino yung hulog? Mayan, follow me. Jaya, jump. Jada, look out. Keisha, look out. Just gonna try and shake Saba. Ouch! Grabe! Grabe ang hulog. Uy, grabe naman kayong dalawa. Lupit naman. Si Ate Vicky nahulog, ako nahulog. Kayong dalawa.
Yay! We won!
Bad news! Good news, girls, because you won. Bad news, look.
Hey! That's unfair! We have more than one winner! See? Nobody gets to pick a tile.
Sayang! Next game na lang tayo. You know what to say, baby Jairo?
Spin the wheel!
Okay, bigay mo na. Yan! Di na tayo sa vulkan na yan kung saan mainit. Makapungot tayo talaga kayo.
Oh, I feel Rafi's gonna get burned out.
Yeah, I agree. I agree that Zephany will tell me that Rafi will get burned out.
Burned out. Oh, the volcano's coming. Takbo na kayo, guys. Iwan kayo, magtakbo na. Before we can start the game. Let's start. Get the hell out of here, Kendra Kiwi. Uy, Kendra, umalis ka na dito. Isang malamang. Kendra Camera, lumabas ka na dyan. Yes! Ewan ko na sa inyo lahat. Lahat kayo ano yun, mainitan na kayo dyan. Ako talaga yung panalo, magbobo kayo. Tartado. And the winner is Rafi!
Yay!
As always, guys, here comes the tile. Magic! Wow! Rafi's on fire! With a huge lead like that, the others are in big trouble. Good luck catching up, everyone. Now let's move on to the next minigame. Tayo na! Mag-spin the wheel na tayo, mga bobo kayo! Anong kayo nilaro namin? Sana mabalis! Ay, naku, mahuhulog na naman ako dito. Ha ha!
Ha! Yeah, come on. That's our advantage. We're going to win.
Fine, I'll give you a chance. So that we can make the tiles more colorful. Let's go! Oh my gosh. Tapang! Hanip! Galing! Galing naman ni Ate Glyza de Castro! O ni Ate Janina Chan! O ni Ate Patricia Mulak! What? O Sandra Mulak, whoever. There now. I did it. This is awesome. Oh, si Ate Bubay. Bubay. From the Bubay and Tekla Show. Oh, ang galing naman Ate Bubay. Para mas makulay.
Oh, Ravi just lost a lot of tiles. What a robbery. Hang in there. Don't just completely flip out, just partially.
No worries, baby, because I can still win. And besides, I'm generous. I want the game board to be even more colorful than you think. So now, let's play another mini game. Hi, madali lang yan. Laro na tayo! Yan! Tapos! And the winner is Rafi again! As always. There! Sorry! Never mind. We just need one more game. Let's do this. Tara na, mga ubuso, maglaro na tayo. Hi, galing. Mag-minigame natin sa tayo. Uy, grabe naman kayo! Sino kayo manalo dyan? Ewan ko na sa'yo. Dino ka sa kabila, para lahat kayo mga lahat kayo mag-iwan. Uy, grabe naman, may panalo na, may panalo na! Alam ko na sino panalo! And that's, uy, sino kaya? Alam ko na yung sino panalo! Si Ate Angel! Tama! Angel Guardian! Birdow win! Yeah! Galing naman ni Ate Casey Tandingan! Swapang! And our winner is Ate Casey! Birdow! Thanks for your towels. I'm gonna take them away. Don! Yan! Okay lang yan! Dahil po,
Huh? Such a view! That's too bad. I was hoping that you'd be able to steal me more towels.
but that's okay, because
Stop flipping! We're out of tiles! The frenzy! Over!
not quite yet, Hat! You know what time it is, people! Say it with me! Let's smash this competition into overtime! Tara na! Get ready with the hammer! Isuntok mo na! Yan! Yan! Uy, grabe, may nakaharang pa dyan. Whoopati-doo! This flip out frenzy still on! We've got some towels open! Hey, Nuggets and Underdogs! This is your big chance! It won't happen again! Good luck, girls!
Okay, I hope my red dots will come.
I hope my green towels will come.
Birdo, the more yellow towels, the better. Then we'll see how you get skilled in the playhouse. Come on, everybody, let's go! Ano ba kayo? Maglaro na tayo dito sa playhouse. Kung sa'yo makuha na ng maraming bola, mga ewan kayo. Sana maglaro na tayo, mga buwisit kayo. Wala kayo alam. Simulan na! Talunin na, huwag na tayo magdali, di na dali. Hoy, mukha na bola, akin na yan. Buong tayo mo, dito. Hoy, dito, maraming bola dito. Akin yung bola na yan. Hoy, siya mismo, mga makaharang dyan, mga bola kayo, mga buwisit kayo. Dito ako. Hoy, ilan na yan. Buong tayo mo talaga, Kendra Kramer. Dito ako. Dito. Yan, marami dito. Ow! Althea Plan, Princess Alia, huwag kang gumunod sa akin. Olive May. Ilan ba? Uy, kao, mayroon pa isa. Gago! Lapit na! Sayang!
Birdow, the winner.
Ay, naku, Ate Negi, ang bilis mo talaga kasi eh. Pero okay lang yan. Sayang lang kung they can give the other girls a chance eh.
Birdow.
Huy, gago! Konti lang yan. One more game should do it. This is the last one. Spin the wheel! Grabe naman, ang daming magnakaw dyan. Ano kayong panghuli? Huy, gago! Alam ko na kung sino panalo dito. Ano yun? Patalo na ako. Pero it's an advantage dahil alam ko na talaga sino panalo dyan. Sige nga, mag-learn na tayo dito sa Mario Matrix. Wow, galing naman talaga yung laban. Swabe. Tara na, ito na. Bilis naman kayo. Bilis naman kayo. Ano ba kayo? Uy, gago. Huy! Huy! Malapit na yan. Malapit na yung maging joke. Grabe naman. Pero panalo dyan ay sina ha?
Yay! Go Peach! Jana Gonzino win! Jana did it! Yay!
Uy, grabe naman. Swabe. And our winner is Jana! Or Tiffany! Or Ashley! Or Ashton! At dahil dyan, tingnan mo yung nangyari! And now let's tally up the tiles. Yes! Yes! Got that one! And now I already know who won! Siyempre naman, ako yung panalo. Alam ko na! Ready to reveal? Are you ready?
Ready!
Sabihin mo na! In 5 4
3
2 Everybody, here we go! 1 And the winner is Ate Vicky, Ate Glyza de Castro, R. San Agustin, Isabel Ortega, Angel Guardian, Shaira Diaz, Ate Herlene Budol, Annalyn from the Bubble Gang, sino pa? Rabia Mateo, Elvin Neva, Janina Chan, Julian San Jose, Gazina, Ate Gas, dami kong ngalan, hindi ako mag-mention na lahat. Ate Melay, Ate Bianca Gonzalez, Ate Kim Chu, Ate Kim Molina has won the Flip Out Frenzy! Alam mo, galing talaga ha? I'll explain later. Sige nga, gawin mo rin gusto mo. Wow, galing naman talaga yung laban. Swabe! Birdow! Yes! I did it! I won the Flip Out Frenzy! Birdow! Ay, nako, Bubay, galing mo talaga. Ay, Ate Bubay, galing naman talaga yung nangyari sa Flip Out Frenzy na yun. Akala ko, panalo na ako eh. You know, kasi nga ganito yun. I know it's always a constant trend talaga pag lagi ako pananalo sa laro nito. Kaya lang, tingnan mo yung nangyari na yun. Exceptional! Kuya Dong, halika dito. Ano? Alam mo yung asawa mo, si Ate Marian? Marian Vera? Bakit? Panalo siya sa'yo? Yes! Paano mo nalaman? Siyempre naman, ako yung nag-host dito. Alam mo what they say, Kuya Dong? Kasi nga normally, dapat Kuya Dong, dapat palagi ako talaga yung, panalo dito sa Flip Out Frenzy. Diba? It's always me as a constant trend. Pero ngayon, exceptional talaga yung laban. Dahil, iba na talaga yung panalo. First time na history of experience dito sa Flip Out Frenzy, kung saan ako yung panalo sa una, pero naiba talaga yung panalo sa panghuli. Si Ate Maya na talaga yung panalo o si Kuya Ate Reggie. Siyempre naman, Kuya Lou. Ako yung nag-defeat kay Rafi dahil isang beses, nag-work na kami sa playhouse, ang baka ni Rafi, ang bilis ako kumuha ng mga bola. Tapos, sa tightrope walking, malapit na si Rafi sa finish line, pero ako pa yung panalo. Ito pa rin, habang nag-boating kami sa isang maduming putik na river, ako yung panalo din. At syempre, dito sa laboratory si Rafi, ang jowa niya yung panalo. Eh, syempre naman, Ate Negi, what can you say? Masaya naman, Kuya Lu. Syempre naman, Ate Negi, nasaya ako. Dahil ito na talaga ang tunay na...
Rainbow Rumble!
Yay! And you know what they say? Malapit na ha? Dahil sa final game, panalo si Kendra Kramer o si Jana Roncillo o si Ash o si Annie o si Kay.
Yeah, that was so close. Each and every one of you is a tie. Imagine if I did not go past at one point. It would have been a draw for all of us. But we have to play another mini game.
Hanep! Grabe naman talaga, girls. Kaya you know what they say? Dahil exceptional talaga yung pangyayari. Alam yung sabihin mo? Sabihin mo na! Hanep!
Anep, 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 anep,
Anep, anep, anep, anep, anep, anep, anep, anep, anep, anep, anep, anep, anep, anep, anep, anep.
anep,
Hanep,
anep,
hanep,
anep,
hanep.
anep,
Anep!
anep, anep,
Anep! 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 Hanep! Pew! Hanep talaga yung laro! You know what? This is the best game ever of Flip Out Frenzy. Kasama lahat yung mga jowa ko dito sa laro na to.
Amy, this was awesome.
Yeah, we had so much fun. Siyempre naman, ang saya naman. If this video gets to 1,500 likes, gagawin tayo ulit. Pero this time, lahat yung mga babae ay sana dapat panalo. Siyempre naman, this will be even more exciting talaga than this one. Of course. At saka sana dapat, I can beat Rafi's score. Makukuha na mas maraming tiles ko doon sa kanya.
Go for it, Ate Negi.
That's right! If you want to see another video, if you want to see a part 2 like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Paalam po! Bye!
Good luck, Ate Negi.
Sige, pog.